Okay, what we're going to do today is I'm going to model some regrouping for addition. What this is going to be, if you look in the upper right corner of the paper up here, on the right corner of your screen, you're going to see some addition problems and a big finger. Those addition problems are the way they are written in real life. What you're going to see down here on the lower portion, in addition to two fingers, is the model for the addition that we all know how to do. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to add 38 plus 13.
Let's use a model to help. We'll use base 10 blocks to show 38 and 13 as tens and ones. Look at the ones. Can you make a 10?
When I look at this, I know that if I put an 8 and a 3 together, I'm going to have 10 up here and a 1 down here for a total of 11. Let's see what they have to say.
You're right. 2 ones can move up to build the top 10 frame. Move 2 of the ones to make a 10. There will still be 1 1 in the bottom 10 frame after you make a 10. The total number of ones does not change.
What we're going to be doing now is we're going to be adding, careful there, what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be doing some addition. We're going to add that 8 and the 3 together in the ones first. Always, always start in the ones because of this. So we start in the ones, we add 8 plus 3. When you do that, you know when you add 8 and 3, you get 11. There's a 2-digit number there in the ones. Let's see what happens here.
Now we can quickly see that our modeled addition shows 4 tens and 11 ones. Since we have 10 or more ones, we will regroup by trading 10 ones for 1 10. Regroup to show the new 10 in the tens column.
What we're doing in our model right now is we're leaving this 1 that's in the ones. We're leaving that one there. We're taking this 1 that was in the tens and we're throwing it up in top of the tens. Watch me throw it over into the tens. All I have to do is click on this group of tens and it goes over into the tens column.
How many tens and ones are there? What is the sum for 38 and 13?
Now that I've done it, I add up my tens and my ones, and I see that I have 51 down here. 5 tens and 1 1. Let's check out the addition, the old school addition. 3, 4, 5. There's a 5 in the tens. The answer there is also 51, just like right down here.
Great job! When you regroup to add 38 and 13, you get 5 tens and 1 1. The sum is 51.
All right, let's move on to the next problem. The next problem is going to be 27 plus 46.
Let's try another problem. Use the model to add 27 and 46. Will you regroup to add?
As you can see, they modeled 27 up here. 2 tens, 7 ones. Down here, 46 is modeled. 4 tens and 6 ones. If I put all these ones together, I will definitely have a full 10 frame that I will need to regroup. So do I need to regroup when I add? You bet.
You're right. 3 ones can move up to fill the top 10 frame. Then you can trade 10 ones for 1 10 to regroup. After you regroup, how many tens and ones will there be in the sum?
You notice what I've done. I put all my ones together. So when I do that, my 7 and a 6 turns out to be a 13. I'll just put a 13 down here real light. But I can't not have 2 digits in the ones. I need to take that 1 that's in the tens, and I need to throw it up on top of the tens. That's what I'm doing here. I'm taking a 10. I'm taking that 1 and throwing it right over here. Let's watch this.
Excellent! When you regroup, you trade 10 ones for 1 10. Now there are 7 tens and 3 ones.
Let me show you what I did real quick. I left my 3 here. As you can see by the model down here, the 3 is left in the ones. That 1 doesn't disappear. It goes up on top of the tens. And now I go ahead and have my tens. 4, 5, 6, 7. I have a 7 in the tens for 73, just like our model shows.
So what is the sum for 27 and 46?
You go ahead. You guessed it. 73.
Great job! 7 tens, 3 ones is 73. The sum for 27 and 46 is 73.
What you've seen me do today is I've done some modeling of addition, which requires regrouping.